No, you know, I never knew that the day would come when I, the Maverick, would be the one defending a Safa Powell from unfair criticisms. This argument going around that a Safa is not deserving of the statue to be erected in his honor. Let me say this. Nobody no criticize a Safa Powell more than me. All them flop and disappoint at the Olympics and the World Championships. Over the many years, I was the first to say Safa choke again, Safa flop again, always. The fair and unbiased truth. But this waste argument that a Safa don't deserve his statue is crap. For a body of work that includes breaking the 100 meters world record twice and equaling it several times, how many people in the history of the world can boast that achievement? Not to mention his almost 100 and counting sub-10 clockings, the most by a country mile of any 100-meter sprinter in the history of the sport. That actually means that a Safa Powell has run consistently faster over his career than Usain Bolt, Carl Lewis, Jesse Owens, all of them. Safa is the most consistently fast sprinter in the history of mankind. The man deserves him statue. For sure, if he had won 1 or 2 individual Olympic or World Championship gold medals, he would be considered even greater. But that don't mean that the man no great. Fear is fear. The man deserves him statue. You know what help to some of these people we attack? Somebody for just wave a magic wand and turn them out in a statue. Or better yet, turn them whole body in a statue.